Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima, 51,061 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. 4 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. Oh. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, the number that you're seeing up top, 82,186. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 51,061. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continuous support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thanks again.